How's it, guys? Welcome to the Pearl Valley Golf Club on the Valdevie Estate. We are back in the Golfing Gods fitment facility. Today we're going to take this Callaway AI Smoke driver, the latest and greatest driver of Callaway's, and it's got weights in the driver. There's a 14-gram weight that comes at the back of the driver, and there's a 2-gram weight in the front of the driver. We're going to do a test today with our test pilots, and we're going to see what differences we get, if any, with this weight configuration. Then we're going to swap the weights around, and then we're going to take out the 14-gram weights. We're going to put another 2-gram weights in, and we're going to run it with two 2-gram weights, and we're going to see if there's a difference and what those differences are. Okay, test pilots, you've got the standard weight setting. Hit a couple of shots. And we're moving the 2-gram weight to the back, and we're putting the 14-gram weight in the front. And now we're going to take the 14-gram weight out, and we are going to put a 2-gram weight in. So we're going to run this head now with two 2-gram weights. So what we're actually doing is we're dropping the swing weight by 12 grams, which is about 6 swing weights, because 2 grams in weight is about a swing weight. And let's see what happens with the numbers. Okay, so in summary, here are the numbers. Have a look. So let's first look at raw carry. When the 14-gram weights in the front and the 2-gram weights at the back, the test pilot was carrying the ball 241 meters. When we moved the 2-gram weights to the back, we swapped it and we put the 14-gram in the front, all of a sudden he carried it 4 meters further. What has happened in terms of clubhead speed has stayed the same. Spin is slightly different. Launch, it's come out a little bit lower, but he's actually hit it further. So just by swapping the weights, he's carrying the ball further. Now, when we removed the 14-gram weights and we made the club lighter and we put a 2-gram weight in its place, he picked up another 4 meters of raw carry. Look at the clubhead speed. So the clubhead speed went up because the club's lighter, and his spin went down. What happened to the launch? He actually launched it slightly lower. So now you can see that it's quite critical to play with the weights in the driver heads. Some driver heads don't have weights, so you can't play with them. Maybe look for a driver head that's got weights that are interchangeable, and go somewhere and get a fitting where they have different weights and play with those weights. So it's not just playing with a shaft combination and a head combination. Play with the weights to change the numbers to suit you. Do you want a higher launch? Do you want a lower launch? Do you want more spin? Do you want less spin? Do you want more clubhead speed? Do you want less clubhead speed? But at the end of the day, the difference from playing with the weights is 8 meters of raw carry, and that is a lot with a driver.